Good night. My name is Rocio Martinez, and I'm passionate about the wonderful places of the earth. I love the senderismo, and I had the opportunity to travel to beautiful places inside and outside in my country, Colombia. Here you can find diverse landscapes and a special nature. Each of these places are unique and bring me beautiful memories. Speaking a little of the places visited, and I have on the top the Galapagos Island, a hang marine reserve that I had the opportunity to visit a small part of the island and divine and have the best diving experience. Another perfect place was Iceland. Is Vatnajökull National Park is something majestic. Every place was impressive to see and feel the ice, its size, and the beauty of the hike was spectacular. There we come aware of um, how beautiful our planet is at the beautiful places that it can often us and each of us can make living on this planet better. That every day our awareness to care for the nature reserve growth and that we can reflect our experiences to our children so that they can also take care of it. Thank you for attention. Have a nice evening.